Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to approve sign-in request on Microsoft Authenticator app. So first of all, just open the Google Authenticator application in your mobile here. Then tap on this plus icon in the top right corner and then simply tap on this continue. In the next step, select personal account from the options. Now tap on sign in with Microsoft. Here add your email address associated with Microsoft Teams and hit next. After this, enter your password and type sign in. You will receive a verification code in your provided email. Go to your email account to get the code and enter the code here. Then tap on verify. Next, tap on allow to grant the necessary permissions. Following that, navigate to your phone settings. Make sure the toggle is turned on for Microsoft Indicator app to enable permissions. After that, go back to the app and go to the code indicator. Now tap the plus icon again in the top right corner to add teams. This time choose other Google, Facebook, etc. as the account type. In the next step, use your device camera to scan the QR code provided by Microsoft Teams. You can manually enter the account name and secret key if a QR code is not available. Once you have completed these steps, you will approve a sign-in request on the Microsoft on Indicator app. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to approve sign-in request on Microsoft Authenticator app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.